What's up, amazing ballroom dancers? Alexey is here and welcome back to Ballroom with Alexey. Today we're going to practice Ronde Chasse in combination with time step and Cuban breaks in cha-cha. So without any further ado, guys, let's get right into that, okay? Alright guys, so just a really quick reminder that this video is designed to help you practice your cha-cha. So I'm going to dance this combination slow, then I will slow it down, then I will slow down even more, and at the end we'll dance it to music. So remember, for more efficient way of practicing this combination, practice it 3 times, okay? First 2 with me, following the video, and the last time shut down the video and practice it by your memory, okay? So let's start with the quick demonstration. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more time, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Awesome, so now let's slow it down a little bit, okay? So let's talk about foot positions, okay? So on 1, step to the side, on 2, forward and check, 3, transferring my weight back and ronde, Cuban cross, and 1, step to the side on my left, collecting my foot, 2, 3 time step, then I go 4 and 1, Cuban breaks, forward and side and forward and step to the side with my left. Now I opening into the New Yorker, 2, step back on 3 and ronde, 4 and 1 more time, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yay! So now let's slow down even. Alright, so now let's slow down it even more. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay? So I'm transferring my weight on my right foot and count 1, finishing with the hip straddle on 1. Now 2, collecting my foot, then I'm making step forward, yes, on 2, creating check, thighs together, knees together, toe turned out, 2, yes. Then I'm doing, transferring my weight back on 3, unwinding my hip, doing ronde action, drawing a full circle with my toe, 4, placing my foot on the ball, collecting my right foot, replacing my weight to my right foot, settling my hip on my right, making step 1 with the hip saddle, right? Let's do just that action one more time. And so I go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. One more time, facing this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, so now here on 1, I'm saddled in my left foot. So now I'm collecting my free foot. Yes, and what I want to do, I'm going to overlap my knees. Yes, so I'm going to do over rotation in my feet. Oh, sorry, in my knees, kind of like, yeah. So I go over rotate, over rotate. One more time, 2, 3. So that action needs to be on relaxed knees, right? So I am not tensing them too much, making sure that it's like this kind of action, very sharp, relaxed, and engaged at the end, yes? And 2, 3, placing my heel, okay? So then with my free right foot, I move to the right, 4 and 1. Okay, so now we're gonna do Cuban breaks. The Cuban breaks, our stationary point is the right foot. So we're not gonna switch too much weight to the left and to the right. So majority of the weight is gonna be on the right, okay? So I'm settling my hip on 1. And I'm collecting my foot, moving it forward on 2. Small step forward, toe turned out, okay? 2, creating nice tight position in my thighs, yes? Collecting my butt and my thighs. Transferring weight on 2, this is, and making step back, then 3, yes? Putting my weight on the ball of my foot, doing the hip action through bend knee into the straight knee. 3, 3, 3, and putting my weight back on the right. One more time. 4, and 1. And let's just do Cuban breaks couple more times, okay? So, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And so you see, I'm creating opposition in my body. I'm moving my right shoulder to my left knee to create this opposite action. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Right, so I'm emphasizing my left stretch, right side contracted. Opposite, right side stretch, left side contracted. And 2, and 3, and 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 2, 3. Okay, awesome. So now I go to my New Yorker. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. I'm doing New Yorker. 2. Awesome. So now you can move your arm to the side or keep it here. Your choice. I'm going to keep it here this time for compact feeling. Yes. Then I transfer my weight back. 3. And doing another ronde. 3. Yeah, so initiating my upper body rotation first, my leg follows. 4. Then I transfer my weight and making step on 1. One more time, New Yorker and ronde. 2, 3, 4, and 1. If you notice, I'm doing my body first, then leg follows. 1. Okay, so now everything together. One more time, pretty slow, with highlighting 1 and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 3, 4, and 1. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1 more time. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Cha-cha, 1. Ticky, 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 boom. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3. Switch, switch. 4, and 1. Forward, back, forward, side. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Yay. All right, so this is our practice combination. Now let's try to music. All right, guys, so first let's dance it to half tempo, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, half tempo. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1. Ho, tiki boom, sa, sa, tiki boom, shak, tak, tiki boom. Ronde, hop, and again. Switch, switch, hop and 1. Hip and hip and hip and New Yorker, ronde, hop and 1. Yay! Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate your time. Need to breathe a little bit. Okay, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Please make sure to subscribe and like this one.